Hey YouTube, Magnificent here. So today we're going to be talking about the brake switch. So before I got this check engine light that came on, my cruise control wasn't working when I noticed that a couple of weeks ago. So I was going to change the brake switch, but right after that I noticed a sudden check engine light. So here we are simply diagnosing it. We got it on the diagnostic tool here, and you'll notice it's just doing its scan. And one of the immediate things that it ran was a problem with the, number one, the engine control module. And once it's done, you'll see that this code correlated perfectly with the brake control switch. So give it a second to 96% bam. All right. So go to fault, see what it is. Let's see what the code says. Read the code. It's talking. All right, current, there it is. And lo and behold, the brake switch circuit, high voltage. And it's also talking about the TPS sensor as well. I'll look at that a little bit later. But again, if you're having trouble with your cruise control working, meaning your light will come on when you press the on button for the cruise control, but it doesn't engage it. It's because it's having trouble with that. Some of the other issues you may have is the brake light may stay on, it may not work. So we're gonna go ahead and change that right now. First thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and take the battery out whenever I'm doing anything with the control module. I like to remove the battery circuit just so I don't have any challenges. So I'm gonna do that real quick. As soon as I'm done there, here's where we're gonna do the brake switch. Is actually underneath the brake pedal. So let's see if you can get in here and see this thing. It is right, my finger, this piece in there. So you'll just remove this, and then there is a bolt on the other side, actually, I believe. Yep, that's let's see, gotta get in deep in here to see it, so you gotta be a little bit limber. Anyway, I'm gonna check and see. Can't do this with one hand. I think it's a 10mm bolt, and once you're done there, you got that removed, you will pop out this clip, that clip with the flathead, pop that out, this goes out, and when that is done, you'll replace the brake switch. So I'll do that. Some folks were saying that you should replace it with the AC Delco version, not the Dorman, because the Dorman, they were saying that it failed quicker. So just get the AC Delco version, about 10, 11 bucks, Amazon and eBay. So that's this clip off right here. I was kind of pulling it. I want to make sure that there was nothing else that was holding it. So I'm having trouble seeing beyond this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and remove this piece, because in the video that I saw, of course, things are always different. That's why I'm doing a video now. There was, this wasn't here, this was gone. There was a 10mm bolt there. So we're gonna see if that's the case, otherwise we will move forward. Here is the easy way to do it. I was playing with it, couldn't figure it out. So it's gonna be in there. You're gonna pop this top piece off, that little hook that kind of hooks down like so. And then you're gonna be trying to figure it out, get it out. It just slides. So it'll be like, when you get it in, you'll slide it in like so. So all you gotta do is just pull it back and it completely pops off. So that's that. Let's see if I have the dexterity to remove this now. I think I did need that 10mm out. Let's see. All right, I cracked it actually trying to figure it out, but this piece, this switch will be inside this little round piece here, right? So it'll be like, so you press it down, it'll be pressed in like that, all the way in. How do you get it out? Well, you simply wedge, screwdriver or something, and you just gotta kind of just shimmy, little by little, otherwise it'll be like me who cracked it. So you just kind of go up and pay attention, close attention to what it looks like, so that you can match it in your mind's eye what it's supposed to look like when it goes in. So it's just gonna go in just like that, right? So make sure you know that, not only for this, but for anything you're removing It just makes it easier for you. So that's out. This is the old one. And we will put the new one on. Okay. Let's see if I can be dexterous yet again. All right, let's see if I can see how this is. Okay, hook in. All right, so now I'm gonna press. Okay, I'm gonna have to use two hands, obviously. After struggling with this for a while, here's what I figured out. Here's a rod. You put the rod in just a little bit. So just get it barely over it, like so. You grab the new piece and you'll notice on this, there's a little hook bottom here. And you're gonna fit it around. So you notice that? And it's just gonna clip, like so. Bam, see that? It's in. That was easy. And then you press in until it goes down. You put the clip over and you are golden. So let's see if we can do this. Mr. Dexterity, here we go again. I think I can do it. Oh, I got it. By George, I think I got it, folks. I don't know, that was a terrible interpretation, or impersonation. Stick that in. She's not coming out. Awesome. And you plug the switch back in, and hey, I'm here. I'm gonna go and grab some dielectric grease. I know, it's like a Greek thing, you know, you always spray a glass cleaner on everything. I put dielectric grease on any electrical connection that I'm taking off just to, you know, keep it not corroded, keep it lubricated, makes good connections. Right back. Dielectric grease on, it's a little much, but the thing comes out real fast. So I'm just going to slide her off like so. And the excess there. And let's put this on. Let's see if I can get my hand in there. And I will mention, I'm on the bottom of this thing. You're gonna have to be very, very, if you're blessed with some girth or blessed with some, let's just say, if you were in a drought, you'd be the last to die. You might want to get someone else to do this, or either have some long hands, because I mean, I'm having to stretch pretty good to be in here. Boom. Done. So I'm about to go on a trip, and I will tell you within the 2-hour trip if it works, but we should be good to go now. I will clear the codes now, and if the code doesn't come up, we know at least that part worked. Clear the codes. Let's hit auto scan. We'll see what happens. Wait for it. Bam. And success, baby. All right, real simple. Couple of notes and everything else, even the transmission control module. I'll have to look at that a little later, the transfer case module. But so a couple of just notes, real simple to do. One of the things that helped me out was there's this little box here, cover that kept the, I guess the ECM stuff covered. Goes here just to, you know, protect it. Take that off, it'll give you a lot of room. The truth though is I didn't really need that, but if you are going underneath trying to find it, all you gotta do is you don't have to take this off. I thought I had to take this off, but didn't have to do that too. Just simply had to take off that clip and know how to remove that rod. Just again, ever so gently remove that rod. You don't even have to use a screwdriver, like I said. Whoops, I'm even in the wrong area. Remove that rod there. You don't have to use that screwdriver, like I said. If you simply just pull out the right way, it'll just simply shift out like a shoe. So guys, real simple. Another successful change. Here's the test of truth. Turn on, that works. Hit the set, we got green, baby. Taking the foot off the brakes or the gas. She's active. So guys, this is simple. You got this. It took about 15 minutes. Anyone can do this. Magnificent, signing out.